I woke up this morning looking like a dragon. Wait, I want to try to get him to do the foot thing. There we go.
He likes it.
I love this cat. He's my little prince. We are practicing our skit now. It's going pretty well. Hoping that we can produce it tomorrow. Not produce, but start working on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wish.
Nice.
I bet. You still got me
Say hi,
over here
YouTube.
wondering what you was gonna ask.
Zip.
I need to go over and make sure I got
Where you going? He's going back to the water. Cat butt. Felix got into someone's cup. Felix, that's someone's cup. Okay, so it is 3:13 now, and I'm just getting dressed, is what I'm saying. I started my day a long time ago, but I'm just now getting dressed. Just to make myself feel better, because I was starting to feel like a slop. But I just got out of the shower, and I'm gonna do something with my hair. I have no idea. I'll probably leave it down today. I have no idea what I'm gonna do either today. I can show some. I can show some things that I recorded from last night, which is one thing I might actually do. Okay, so there is nothing to do today. So I decided that I'm going to actually read something that I've written to you. Now, this is straight from my heart to your ears, so please be kind with your comments, if you do comment. I might read just one or two, though. Yeah. So this is original work that I've made up myself. Not copied or nothing. It's called Why Little Nothing. Why little nothing do you eat so much? I eat to hide my pain. Why little nothing do you stay so quiet? I stay quiet so that no one can hear my brain. Why little nothing do you even try? I try because I don't want to hide. Why little something do you not want to hide? I don't want to hide because I am alive. I freaking read my work twice and I didn't put my record button on. Both times. Okay. The recording is on. Huh?
Third time's the charm.
Third time is a charm. Here we go. All right. This is another one that I wrote, and it's called The Gift to Escape. I wonder if I'll ever be heard. My heart beats harder as I close my eyes to escape, to where I am free to let my emotions out of their deep-rooted darkness. My anger crashes harshly onto jagged rocks like an overwhelming wave, where thunder yells into the dark sky, and lightning cusses, leaving its mark on the unforgiving life. My voice then becomes a deep lion's roar that cannot be stopped. And tears fall from the sky, dissolving pain into the earth, bringing a beautiful meadow of any flower you can imagine, with birds and butterflies flying proudly in the light blue sky. My soul then becomes as free and as wild as an untamed horse, galloping through the meadow. I run as far and as fast as I can, feeling the light rip through my veins and the warm sun on my face. I am happy and free to be me. Only I am stopped in my tracks by dark, unwanted clouds and a heavily beating heart. My walls are building back up and closing in on me. I open my eyes. Back to reality. So those are the two that I've read today, and I might actually read some another day. But I hope that you enjoyed them, and it feels weird reading them out loud to a public because I don't do it very often, and this is just something I usually keep to myself. But yeah, that's what I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so that you know when I post more videos. Don't forget to watch my last videos and stay safe. Love you guys. See you soon.